learned a lot of Kannada pronouns, verbs, demonstrative words, etc. It's time to put them all into a sentences and practice together. Remember, the more you practice, the faster you learn. My house, Nanna mane. Our house, Namma mane. This is my dog. Idu nanna nai. Dog is nai in Kannada. Or this dog is mine. E nai nannadu. That house is mine. A mane nannadu. Or that is my house. Adu nanna mane. Those books are mine. A pustagagalu nannadu. Book is pustaka in Kannada. Those are my books. Avu nanna pustakagalu. I want water. Nanage neeru beku. I don't want water. Nanage neeru beda. Water is neeru in Kannada. This is for you. Idu ninage or nimage with respect. These are for you. Ivu ninage or nimage with respect. This car is yours. E car nimmadu with respect or ninnadu. That car is yours. A car ninnadu or nimmadu with respect. My house is here. Nanna mane illide. My house is there. Nanna mane allide. That is their car. Adu avara car. These are his apples. Ivu ivana sebugalu. Apple is sebu in Kannada. You come here. Neevu illi banni with respect. Neenu illi ba. You go there. Neevu alli hogi with respect. Neenu alli hogu. You take water. Neevu neeru togolli with respect. Neenu neeru togo. You talk. Neenu matadu. Neevu matadi with respect. Keep practicing like this more and more. If you are not able to understand anything or you want more examples, please comment below and let me know.